paper piles, folders bursting at the seams, and drawers full of forgotten receipts sound familiar? Let's talk about how to ditch the paper trail and embrace a simple, streamlined paperless filing system. In just a couple of steps, you can free up space, reduce clutter, and make finding documents a breeze. The first step is to decide what needs to stay and what can go digital. For documents like contracts, tax records, or anything with long-term value, scan and save them digitally. Tools like mobile scanner apps or standalone scanners work perfectly for this. Once scanned, name your files clearly. Trust me, SCAN001 will mean nothing in 6 months. Use names like 2025, tax return, or car insurance, July 2024 to keep things organized. Save these files into folders based on categories, like personal, work, or financial. Now, not everything can go digital. Documents like birth certificates, passports, and legal papers should stay in their physical form. Invest in a fireproof and waterproof file box or safe to protect these essentials. Over time, get in the habit of scanning new documents immediately and shredding what's no longer needed. This way you'll avoid the dreaded paper pileup. Streamlining your home with a paperless system isn't just about decluttering, it's about peace of mind. No more lost papers, no more searching through piles. And if you're looking for a safe place to store any important physical items, Arcos Storage has you covered with secure, reliable storage solutions. Visit arcosstorage.com to find the right storage option for you.